Hello and welcome to Make It Mondays. Today we're going to be assembling this Kettler Palma Round Set. This set would look beautiful in any garden. So let's talk about what you get in the box. So you get your two corner sections complete with seat cushions and back cushions. You get your two stools complete with seat cushions, your table, and the necessary fittings and fixtures. To put it together, connect the legs using the screws provided, ensuring that they're only finger tight. Then place the leg unit onto the tabletop and screw the screws finger tight. Once all of the screws are in place, you can go around with an Allen key, tightening them up. With two people, turn the tabletop over to a standing position. Cut the ties holding the glass top in place. You can use the clips provided to hold the two seating sections together. All the set has adjustable feet, so you can stop any part from wobbling on uneven ground. Now we've got the two seats connected together, let's add the cushions. Position set, make sure that the table is nice and level. For more videos like this one, click below. Don't forget to subscribe to our Garden Flash YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.